Affiliate marketing course. Is it necessary to take an affiliate marketing course? To become the best in any field of life, you need to learn and undergo some training. If you're involved in internet affiliate marketing, you will no doubt have found that your progress is to a large extent dependent on your knowledge and skills level. Perhaps the best way to build up the skills necessary to succeed is to enroll in a marketing course online. Not everyone may need this, but if you don't feel you are getting the detailed training you deserve, then it is very useful. A good internet affiliate marketing course will be carefully set out to make it easy for you to follow, allowing you to learn as you go along. It allows you to be trained as though you really know nothing about the internet marketing industry. You will find that the majority of people try to learn this business from their own mistakes and experience. Unfortunately, this inevitably ends in tears, as they have taken advice from people who were not successful themselves. This is why it's important you go back to the beginning of the course and learn internet marketing as though you are a complete newbie. You can learn at your own pace, moving from chapter to chapter once you feel comfortable with what you have learned from the last one. The really good affiliate marketing courses spend time on things such as getting your marketing business set up, picking good markets to be in, choosing the right products, and how to market your affiliate products successfully. As ebooks go, it would be hard to find a better one in the internet affiliate marketing niche. It may not be a course in the strict sense of the word, but using it will give you a tremendous understanding of just how internet affiliate marketing works. Thousands of copies of this book have been purchased, and it is credited with turning many affiliate marketing businesses around. There is no limit to the amount of money you can spend, if you want even more detailed training. For example, there are courses that teach you how to become a super affiliate, which is for people who want to go on and earn a six-figure income or more in online marketing. Today these courses include textbooks, online instruction, CDs, discussion forums and so on. If you are serious about making money marketing affiliate products, taking an affiliate marketing course is a good idea. The more you learn, the faster your business will grow, so always stay in the learning mode. To get a best affiliate marketing course, please check the link below in description. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.